Today we will walk through the process of adding internal and external links in WordPress quickly and efficiently. We begin by navigating to WordPress. Open your web browser and type in the address for WordPress. Once the page has loaded, you will see the login option clearly displayed in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. After clicking on login, the next step is to continue the process using your Google account. You will be presented with an option labeled Continue with Google. Click on this option to proceed with the authentication process using your Google credentials. This method facilitates a faster login process by linking your WordPress account with your Google account. Once you have clicked Continue with Google, you need to choose the appropriate Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts available, make sure to select the one associated with your WordPress setup. This selection is essential as it finalizes the login and grants you access to your WordPress dashboard. With your account now logged in, your next task is to locate the quick links section within your WordPress dashboard. In this section, look for an option that allows you to edit your website. Click on Edit Site, which will take you into the editing mode. This mode is where you will make all the modifications to your site, including link additions. After entering the editing section, you will see a list of websites connected to your account. Choose the website you need to work on by clicking on it. This action will open up the page for editing so you can start making changes to your site's content. Now that you are in the site editor, you must identify the text in your content where you wish to add a link. Locate the specific section of text that should become clickable and use your cursor to highlight it. This step is important because it isolates the text that will serve as the anchor for your link. With the text highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar that appears above the selected text. On this toolbar, you will find an icon that represents linking. Click on the link icon to initiate the process of adding your link. This click will open a small input area where you can define your link destination. Once you have clicked the link icon, you will be prompted to type in your desired URL. This URL could be an internal page within your own website or an external website that you want to reference. Enter the complete address of the page you wish to link to, ensuring the address is correct so that visitors are directed to the intended destination. After entering the URL, the final step in this process involves confirming the link you have just created. Look over your input, and when you are ready, click on the link you have entered to confirm. This confirmation acts as the final step to ensure that your text is properly linked and functional. The link should now be active, and any visitor who clicks on the highlighted text will be taken to the specified web address. This simple process allows you to enrich your content with both internal and external links in a matter of minutes. Every action from logging in, navigating to the editing interface, selecting your preferred text, to finally confirming the link has been designed to streamline your workflow and improve the overall functionality of your website. By following each of these steps carefully, you ensure a smooth experience and better connectivity between your pages, ultimately leading to a more interactive site for your visitors. This quick and efficient method not only saves time but also maximizes the potential of your website by easily integrating various web resources through seamless links. Enjoy the enhanced user experience and improved navigational structure on your WordPress site as you put your new linking skills into practice.